Small dairy farms are the heart of rural America, providing fresh milk, jobs, and a strong sense of community. But running these farms isn't easy. Rising costs, market competition, and new regulations can make survival tough. Whether you're a student studying agriculture or a practitioner in the field, understanding the challenges and opportunities in this space is essential. Here's a clear breakdown to help you navigate this vital topic. Small dairy farms, defined as those with fewer than 100 cows, are more than just businesses. They keep rural economies alive and contribute to sustainable agricultural practices. These farms help maintain food security by ensuring that milk is available locally. However, small farms face significant hurdles. Unlike larger operations, they contribute a smaller share of national milk production because they lack economies of scale. Despite this, their role in preserving rural livelihoods and supporting local supply chains cannot be overstated. Small dairy farms encounter several interconnected challenges that threaten their sustainability. Market pressures are among the most significant challenges, with milk prices fluctuating based on global demand, trade policies, and consumer trends. Larger farms often dominate markets because they produce milk more cheaply. Additionally, high costs are a critical issue, as feed can account for 60% of production costs, leaving small farms vulnerable to price spikes. Rising energy and labor expenses further eat into already slim profit margins. Labor shortages exacerbate these difficulties, as recruiting and retaining workers is increasingly hard, especially when wages are constrained. Regulations and technology also pose challenges. Environmental rules require expensive upgrades, such as waste management systems, while advanced technologies like automated milking systems are often out of financial reach for smaller farms. Despite these challenges, many small dairy farms are finding ways to innovate and adapt. Cooperative models are one effective approach. By forming or joining cooperatives, farmers can pool resources, reduce costs, and increase their bargaining power when selling milk. Diversification is another valuable strategy. Expanding product offerings into areas like cheese, yogurt, or organic milk allows farmers to capture niche markets and boost revenue. Technology assistance also plays a role, with programs like the USDA's Environmental Quality Incentives Program, EQIP, helping to offset the costs of necessary technological upgrades. Sustainability practices, such as adopting climate-smart techniques like rotational grazing and renewable energy, can reduce costs and appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Additionally, engaging with policymakers to secure subsidies and financial aid tailored to small farms can help create a more level playing field. Some small dairy farms have found success by embracing organic production methods, which often command higher market prices. Others have ventured into agritourism, offering farm tours, hands-on workshops, and direct-to-consumer sales to diversify their income. These creative approaches highlight the resilience and innovation of small-scale farmers. One example is a family-run dairy in the Midwest that transitioned to producing artisan cheeses. By marketing their unique products directly to local consumers and online, they increased profitability and built a loyal customer base. Small dairy farms remain a vital part of the U.S. dairy industry's variety and resilience. To stay competitive, these farms need more than hard work. They require innovative strategies, support for sustainable practices, and a strong voice in policy discussions. Students and practitioners can play an essential role in supporting this transformation. By researching best practices, educating the public, or driving policy changes, you can help ensure that small dairy farms not only survive but thrive. By working together and staying informed, we can preserve the rich legacy of small dairy farms while adapting to the challenges of the future.